é uma produção independente, portanto de total responsabilidade de seus apresentadores e produtores.
Produção e mixagens DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
Alors danse le funk, tout le monde danse le funk. Danse the funk.
America, Virginia, Los Angeles, ow, Detroit, Richmond, New York, Philly, Arizona, Atlanta, Georgia, Shakespeare, Smash Sound, Rick James, Prince.
Waiting long, darling?
Well, long enough.
I could wear Dachi on.
Oh, no, not that, but,
What?
well, dear, it's just that I'm getting tired of this hiding in doorways and sneaking in and out of places. Always keeping undercover while I'm beginning to feel like a criminal.
There's nothing criminal in that, is there?
No, there's nothing criminal in that. JJ, don't say that. That's not the right spirit. Oh, sir, you just gotta get better.
What's the use? What have I got to live for?
Why, everything, JJ. You're just in the prime of life. You're right at the peak. You'll soon be the old hard-fisted party producer again. Think of your responsibilities. Think of the audiences of America. The millions of them. The millions of them. The millions of them. The millions of them. The millions of them.
to my surprise, I saw a lovely light-skinned lady with light brown eyes. So I told her I was looking for the girl of my dreams, and if I didn't follow suit, I was gonna scream. Then she looked me in the eyes with a grin on her face. She said, I think this is the end of your wild goose chase. Let's go for a walk and find a place where we can do the right thing until you're blue in the face. Cause I'm
Fresh, fresh, yo, that's fresh. Now Mr. B has the cash money and the gold rope chains with diamond rings. See, this man has a lot, he goes in and out. When it comes to G-money, he has too much. No luck is not the question, or the answer. The brother's too nice, and just a woman dazzle. Flashing hundreds over there and hundreds over here. When you see him with the lady, use a savoir faire. Fresh, fresh, yo, that's fresh. Well, I admit there's a place for money and girls, but you need fresh gear to live this world. Why, just the other day, I couldn't decide on which jams to wear, but what climbs am I? So with anger on my face, I walked out the door. I didn't want to wear those. I went shopping for more Lees and Sergios were everywhere, but I needed something new that I could wear, cause I'm F-R-E-S-H. Fresh, fresh, yo, that's fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh, yo, that's fresh. Yo, that's fresh.
we're so fresh, we don't have to rehearse.
We can even rap to you
In reverse.
I'm on, I'm even over them. I did it, I turned out fresh. Yo, that's fresh. Yo, Jay, I saw you with this girl last night, the jam. What happened, man? Word, she was looking fire, man. What's up with her?
Well, I took her to the crib and started to rap with the bass that I was throwing. She was about to be trapped. Then she said, hey, lover, let's make that move to the place the people love us so we can prove that we were made for each other's own personal needs. Let's get it started, lover boy, if you know what I mean. Then we was into bed together with the stereo on, doing it to the sound of my favorite song. Cause I'm
F-R-E-S-H. Fresh, yo, that's fresh. Now back to the man with class and razzmatazz. So walking down the street with all the ladies in the trance. When you see the brothers back, ooh, the man is a stash. To buy this and that, he'll get it with a snap. Not only cash styles, but also check. But when it comes to his taxes, he's always correct. Or relaxing in his mansion with his thick money belt. A while counting all his money, he said to himself, F-R-E-S-H. Fresh, yo, that's fresh. She kids and bombers up and down the block. Well, time was running out as I looked at the clock. And then a girl walked up, she gave a wink. She said, I bet that your girl could use a new mink. I agreed with her, she then asked me what size. I said, did you just funk? I had her hypnotized. I then took her to my crib, and with one last yell, I had her in a coat that she tried to sell. Cause I'm F-R-E-S-H. Fresh, yo, that's fresh. 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 Yo, Jay, man, you see Mr. B lately?
word, man. I think he's downtown spending money on them girlies, man. I heard he got a new ride, man. Word.
Yeah, that. Supreme in the ladies' dreams. Oh, but boy, got the flywheel on. Fresh gear. I know you like this suit, right? You know it.
I gotta get me one of them joints, man.
I'll get one right after this. Yo, that's fresh. R-E-S-H. Fresh. Yo, that's fresh.
When things got bad and very slim, I didn't think that I could win. About to drown my troubles in the sea, but these words of wisdom came to me.
You gotta believe.
Don't let no one say you can't make it.
You gotta believe.
When things go wrong, just overtake it.
You gotta believe.
Just tell yourself I got to make it.
You gotta believe.
So come on everybody, let's shake it. From day to day, I kept my faith and I knew there was a way. So let those things be understood. Things that are bad can change to good. And if you want things bad enough to be a winner, you must stand tough. Cause quitting is get the bottom shelf. So just remember, believe in yourself.
You gotta believe.
Don't let no one say you can't make it.
You gotta believe.
When things go wrong, just overtake it.
You gotta believe.
Just tell yourself I got to make it.
You gotta believe.
So come on everybody, let's shake it. Some things. The man upstairs, he had it planned. He won't give you more than you can stand. So when it looks like there's no other way, just remember these words I say.
You gotta believe.
Don't let no one say you can't make it.
You gotta believe.
When things go wrong, just overtake it.
You gotta believe.
Just tell yourself I got to make it.
You gotta believe.
So come on everybody, let's shake it.
Dinossauro